What is a mineral? Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances with a defined chemical composition and crystalline structure. They form through geological processes and exhibit distinct physical and chemical properties, which make them essential components of rocks. So, how do minerals form? Minerals form in areas once covered by salt water. When salt water evaporates, it leaves behind minerals like halite and gypsum. Next, minerals form where crystals precipitate out of hot water solutions from groundwater. Minerals also form where rock is undergoing metamorphism. Heat and pressure cause rocks to change, forming new minerals. And lastly, minerals form where magma is cooling. As magma cools, minerals crystallize from it and form solid rocks.
Now, let's explore the fascinating properties of minerals and the types of rocks. First, color. Many minerals appear similar, but tiny amounts of certain elements can dramatically change their color. Next is streak. Rubbing a mineral on a rough surface leaves a colored streak, which helps in identifying minerals. Hardness. Hardness measures a mineral's resistance to scratching, ranked on most scales from soft talc to hard diamond. Luster. A luster describes how minerals reflect light, ranging from shiny metallic to glassy vitreous.
Kinds of minerals. Silicate minerals is a kind of minerals that contains a combination of silicon, Si, and oxygen O is a silicate minerals, often combined with other elements, and they make up most of the Earth's crust. Examples of silicate minerals are quartz and feldspar. Non-silicate minerals are minerals that do not contain either silicon and oxygen together. They include other elements like carbon, sulfur, or metals, and they occupy the Earth's crust approximately 4% of it. Examples of non-silicate minerals are calcite and gypsum.
And now, let's talk about rocks. Rocks are solid materials made of one or more minerals, forming the Earth's crust. There are three main types of rocks. First is the igneous rocks. Second is the sedimentary rocks. And last is the metamorphic rock. Igneous rock. Igneous rock is formed when magma cools and solidifies, either through Earth's crust cracks or volcanic eruptions, forming molten rock. These are the examples of igneous rock: the granite, obsidian, and basalt.
The next type of rock is the sedimentary rocks, formed when fragments of minerals, organic matter, and other rocks, and these rocks are called sediments. Then, these sediments are carried by water, ice, or wind, then deposited and compacted over time. These sediments are pressed and cemented together, creating sedimentary rock. Examples of sedimentary rocks are limestone, sandstone, and shale. And the last type of rock is the metamorphic rocks. On the other hand, form when existing rocks are exposed to extreme heat and pressure, causing them to change. Then the word metamorphic means change form. This process alters the structure and composition of the original rock. Examples of metamorphic rocks are novaculite, slate, and marble. So the image shows the rock cycle. It illustrates the process of how rocks change over time. The cycle starts with magma, which is molten rock. When magma cools, it turns into igneous rock. Then igneous rock can be weathered and eroded, forming sediments. Then these sediments are compacted and cemented together to form sedimentary rock. Then if sedimentary rock is subjected to heat and pressure, it can turn into metamorphic rock. Then metamorphic rock can then melt back into magma, completing the cycle.